In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to lock or unlock keyboard on Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. Locking your keyboard prevents unauthorized access, ensuring that sensitive data remains secure and private. And on the other hand, if you're stuck with a locked keyboard, unlocking is necessary for resolving technical issues and regaining full control over your system. To lock your keyboard, simply long hold on the Shift key. It usually takes 8 seconds for this notification to pop up. Once displayed, just click right here on Yes. Your keyboard will get locked. If you try typing, nothing will work. To unlock your keyboard, simply long hold on the Shift key until you hear a beep sound. Your keyboard will get unlocked successfully. That's how easy it is to fix locked keyboard or locking your keyboard on Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.